Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for CF Acquisition 6. The report was first published on our website Tuesday, September 6, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell CF Acquisition 6? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since August 23, 2022, our system ranks the CF Acquisition 6 stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 0.000. This is an average return of 3.17% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for CF Acquisition 6, our last headline reads, Big movements in CF Acquisition Corporation 6 stock price on Tuesday, moving 13.86% between high and low. The CF Acquisition Corporation 6 stock price gained 13.62% on the last trading day, Tuesday, September 6, 2022, rising from $11.75 to $13.35. It has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 13.86% from a day low at $12.05 to a day high of $13.72. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 32.7% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 4 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 7 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $99.39 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $18.52, and the lowest price was $9.63. Right now the price is 27.92%, or $5.17, below 52-week high at $18.52, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock has broken the wide and weak, rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back, there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $11.85, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $13.42 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 7.25% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -17.31% and -4.76%. The 12-month trend indicates a 0.98% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -24.53% and 24.36%. This equals a price between $10.07 and $16.60 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, CF Acquisition 6 stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the CF Acquisition 6 stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for CF Acquisition 6. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The CF Acquisition Corporation 6 stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $11.50 and $10.36. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, August 30, 2022, and so far it has risen 21.92%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. The stock had a golden star signal on Thursday, August 11, 2022 in the short-term chart. Golden star signal is when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and price line meet in a special combination. This combination is very rare and often followed by long and strong gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 8 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for CF Acquisition 6. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.79 and $10.95. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, CF Acquisition Corp VI finds support just below today's level at $11.79. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $10.95 and $10.04. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $1.67 between high and low, or 13.86%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 7.82%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. On a downturn, CF Acquisition 6 finds first level of support at $11.79, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for CF Acquisition 6 is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by CFVI Holdings 6, LLC, whom have bought and sold 1,825,000 shares or options in the company. Based on the 2 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -5.859. In total, the insiders bought 700,000 and sold 1,125,000 shares in the last 2 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $12.89, minus 3.42%. This stock has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. The RSI 14 is 79, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 4 days ago. Is CF Acquisition 6 stock a buy? CF Acquisition Corp VI holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Wednesday 7th, we expect CF Acquisition 6 to open down -31 cents and start trading at $13.04. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.